but I want you to take it personal. And my personal question to you is, why not you?
Today we celebrate. We celebrate the late nights that turned into early mornings. We celebrate the meals at Proctor that turned into hour-long conversations. We celebrate the laughs echoing through By Hall, the music thumping from Atwater, and the walks through Ridgeline at sunset. And we celebrate the people who made Middlebury feel like home. We're graduating from one of the most beautiful, challenging, and prestigious colleges in the country. We made it. Let that sink in for a second. And today there's one question I want to ask you. A question that quietly shaped the way I've moved through Middlebury these past 4 years. And one I hope follows you, challenges you, motivates you for the rest of your life. Why not you? Let's be real here. How many times have you looked around and thought, that could never be me, when you saw someone doing the thing you've always dreamed of? You see people taking the leap, starting companies, publishing books, changing the world. And here you are, standing on the sidelines, thinking, good for them, but I'm not ready. That's not my path. Or maybe they got lucky. It's different for them. I don't have what they have. And without even realizing it, you build this quiet story in your mind that somehow they deserve it more than you. But I want to ask you again, why not you? Seriously, why are you holding yourself back? I've asked myself that question more times than I can count. Because to be honest, when I first got here, I was terrified. I came to Middlebury from Wisconsin, the son of 2 public school teachers. I didn't come from a fancy New England prep school. I didn't know anyone. I didn't have a safety net. And I definitely didn't feel like I belonged on a campus like this. But Middlebury was the turning point. This is where I learned to take risks, where I fell in love, where I started a business. This place gave me more than an education. It gave me a mirror. It forced me to ask bigger questions. Like, what if someday never comes? We hear it all the time. I'll do that someday. But someday is a dangerous word because it makes you feel like you have infinite time. You don't. The average person lives just 30,000 days. If you're 22, you've already used up nearly 8,000 of them. You don't get to rewind. You don't get refunds on time you never used. So don't wait until the job is safer, or the path is clearer, or the moment feels perfect. The perfect moment is a myth. The right time is now. Middlebury taught me that. It taught me that action creates readiness, not the other way around. That confidence doesn't come before the leap. It comes because of it. You think the people you admire felt ready when they started? They didn't. They were just as scared as you. But they moved anyway, with all the doubt, all the what ifs, all the fear. And that's what I'm telling you now. Move anyway. And while you're at it, don't settle. Don't take the job just because it pays well if it kills your soul. Don't stay in the city or the relationship or the life you've outgrown just because it's comfortable. You did not come to Middlebury to live a life of quiet compromise. You came here to learn how to live with intention, to think boldly, to live with urgency, live with meaning. Live in a way that 5 years from now, or 50 years from now, you can say, I showed up for my life. Because regret doesn't come from trying and failing. Regret comes from never trying at all, from living on autopilot, from letting your days blur together. This is the time unit paradox. As kids, time felt endless because everything was new. But as adults, same breakfast, same commute, same Netflix shows. Your brain stops recording. Days blur together. And suddenly you're 40 and asking where the last decade went. So hack the system. Make time feel full again. Say yes to new experiences. Try the thing you've never done. Take the risk no one sees, but you feel in your gut. Because you've already done the hard stuff. You've survived 8 a.m. lectures, 12 a.m. deadlines, and negative 15-degree wind chill. You've gotten through hangovers, anxiety, rejection, and change. And still, you showed up. You've made it through 4 years at Middlebury. And you did it surrounded by some of the smartest, most curious, most relentlessly creative people on this earth. Look around you. This class isn't just full of potential, it's full of momentum. But what makes us powerful isn't just our minds, it's our hearts. It's how we showed up for one another in classrooms, in dining halls, in dorm rooms, and in moments we didn't talk about on Instagram. Middlebury gave us more than an education. It gave us a template for how to live well. With courage, with curiosity, with compassion, and with intention. And now, it gives us something even greater, a new beginning. So here's my final ask. Wherever you go from here, bring you with you. The full, honest, unapologetic version. The one who asks again and again, why not me? Why not be the one who writes the book, who changes the system, who starts the movement, who lives wide awake? Why not you? Why not you? Congratulations, class of 2025. Now go show the world exactly who we are. Because if not us, then who? If not now, then when?